Hi friends, I am Amar Moite. Today we are going to discuss FDA Form 483, warning letters and import alerts. Friends, whenever any FDA inspector visits the pharmaceutical facility for the purpose of inspection or audits, he verifies all system, documents and process related to receipt, storage, testing, manufacturing and distribution of drug substances or drug products. During inspection and audits, he note down his observations and findings. After completion of the audit, he communicates all those observations and findings made by him during the audit in closing meeting. He discusses those observations and findings and communicates all those findings to the management by recording those observations in Form 483 of FDA and issues Form 483 to management. In short, FDA Form 483 is the list of observations and findings made by the inspector during the audits. Once the Form 483 is issued to pharmaceutical company, FDA asks the management of that pharmaceutical company to provide their responses within 15 days. Along with the Form 483, FDA also issues Establishment Inspection Report, that is EIR, which describes where further actions needs to be taken or not by the firm. FDA provides a chance to pharma company to provide their compliances and appropriate corrective and preventive actions to the FDA. Once the response is submitted by the firm, the top officials or higher officials of the FDA verifies those responses. If the response submitted by the company found inadequate or FDA top officials feels that the provided responses are not sufficient and there is significant violation of GMP and regulations, the FDA officials may issue warning letter to the pharmaceutical company. Here, one thing needs to be understood that the Form 483 is issued by the inspector itself and it is not the final opinion of the agency. Whereas warning letter is issued by the top officials of the FDA after review and verification of responses against the 483 observations. In short, warning letter is the final opinion of the agency. Hence, warning letter is more serious than the 483 observations. Issuance of warning letter is a serious situation and FDA expects that company should take appropriate corrective and preventive actions immediately. If similar kind of non-compliances or GMP violations observed by company, FDA may take even more serious actions against the firm Those actions may be import alerts, product ban, etc. So friends, before proceeding further, I would like to request you, if you have liked the content of my video, please subscribe my channel. In next part of this video, we will discuss what is import alert. For any reason, if FDA feels that any products create a situation where there is risk to patient health and safety, FDA can detain all those products from entering into the US market. FDA may issue an import alert if they found that the products are adulterated or misbranded or unapproved. In all those situations, FDA can detain all those products from entering into the US market. This is nothing but the import alert, where all the products are detained from entering into the US market. There are different reasons when US FDA can issue the import alerts. The reasons may be if FDA gets information from other regulatory agencies that the devices or drug products are not of appropriate quality, or those products are manufactured under non-GMP environment, the FDA can detain those products without physical examination. If FDA get the information that the subjected product was manufactured and there are so many GMP violations, FDA can issue the import alert. If FDA finds that the subjected product is unapproved, it is a new entity and it is not approved by US FDA, then FDA can immediately issue the import alert and detain those products by entering into the US FDA market. FDA also issue the import alerts to those organizations whose owner, agent or distributor refuse the US FDA inspection. So all these are reasons when US FDA can issue the import alerts. Friends, this was all about the Form 483 warning letters and import alerts. If you have liked the content of this video, please subscribe this channel so that I can prepare more videos, more informative videos for you. Thank you very much.